Lexus LFA. A lot of things happening with this car. Lexus LC500 is in. We're doing a lot of things to this car.
Two-stage paint correction, full car Clearbra, and wheel.
A lot of things.
Are you ready? You want to see a figure choke? I haven't tied something behind my back in so long.
Do people actually wear that? The thing is so small.
That's the point.
Now that the Lexus is done being paint corrected, we're going to start on the next phase, which is the Clearbra and the window tint. Deep Talks with EVS Motors.
You're not editing us out.
What?
Do you remember what Daewoo's are?
Daewoo? Yeah, it's a car.
These kids don't know.
It still exists though.
I know.
What is that? Is that GMC?
No.
General Motors?
Daewoo, does Daewoo sound to you?
It's like
General Motors.
Is it a GTR?
Ford that y'all don't know
No
what
way, I
Daewoo's
forgot that
are.
car.
Dustin, we don't know about bankrupt companies.
There's the logo. Yeah. Look, zoom in on the logo.
Dustin, I don't care. God, your hands are cold. It's gross. Your hands are like clay. Ugh. Okay, so the Clearbra is done on the Lexus. We're now working on installing new wheels. Satin bronze Vossen HF40s. I don't think I've shown you what this wheel looks like in this finish before. This is the first time doing it. It's actually really nice. I wasn't sure how the multi-spoke design was gonna look with the bronze. I thought it might be a little too much, but this is actually really nice. I like it. If anything, the bronze kind of helps accents the really sharp, skinny spokes and makes it look a lot more aggressive. So I'm excited to see what this looks like once it's actually on this car. So the wheels are put on, you can kind of see it there. I'm not gonna show you guys yet. That's because we're not done with the project. We're still gonna be doing a chrome delete. So once that's done, then I will show you the whole setup. But as of right now, it looks really good. The rear wheels, you guys will love it. It's freaking concave. The gray pieces are staying as is, but the chrome pieces are going to be gone. Including the ones here, and obviously you can see the top pieces, and even the back pieces here. And then the pieces right here, so that should make it look a little sportier. Since we're having to chrome delete this top part and all of this chrome down here, we're actually going to be removing the rear bumper because we can get to these areas a lot better. Is this necessary? Maybe not, but will it get you a better result? Yes. Is it necessary? I don't know. You tell me.
All about the car part, baby.
What's that? You're gonna do that too or no?
Yes, satin black, all this gray here. You're literally only gonna see that like super like red light. It's gonna be super dope. When you turn the lights, dude, it's gonna be so sick.
Can you wrap that, Sean?
Of course.
This is definitely the coolest LC500 in freaking Houston, guys. The goal for this project was to make it look a little bit sportier than what it was, but not to go over the top, and to also preserve what we already have. So first things first was a paint correction on the entire vehicle, removed all the scratches and swirl marks, and then we cleared out the entire thing from bumper to bumper. All the black panels that you see covered, even the carbon fiber roof up top. You can really see the clarity in the Clearbra and from the paint correction. It looks amazing. So satin black chrome delete around the mirrors, the back of the car, the front front of the car and even on top of the car. Way cleaner in my opinion now, and it looks a lot more menacing. And I'm really happy with how the rear tail light chrome areas came out, because we actually did that in one entire piece. So there were no seams or anything like that. It wasn't patched. The whole thing was done in one piece. We're willing to go the extra mile for that. The Vossen HF4Ts and satin bronze really tied everything together. We want to do an aggressive color, but we didn't want to go with black just because the whole car is black already. Dark enough to where it goes with the theme, but it's different colors, so it draws attention to them, and you can really see the details in the spokes, especially since they're directional, and it just really just acts as the whole car. Tinted all the windows on this to give it a little bit more privacy, but at the same time maximize heat rejection, because after all, we are in Houston. So the sides, the back, even the front windshield are all tinted, basically blocking heat from all angles. And that amazing shine that you guys see on the paint is all thanks to the graphene coating that we applied. This is a new product that we're trying out, so I'll tell you more about it later on. I'm really excited to see what the customer thinks of this. Really happy with how this turned out. Thanks so much for watching. We want to work in cars, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. And if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button and lick that bell.
Lick that bell. I told you he's gonna stick. Come on.
We will see you next time.